Okay, here is the single goal programming that we have just covered, and how do we do this using Excel. So as I said, I have objective function. In addition to x1 and x2, I added d1 minus and d1 plus here, right? And to say the variables we don't have here, so I'm going to delete that, and therefore the objective function is not determined here yet. And we have um, we can delete this lower left hand side too. So now your objective is now minimize, right? Equals minimize. I'm sorry. Um, this is a sum product function of this times that. Notice that I am not entering any coefficient here because essentially we are minimizing d1 minus plus d1 plus, but these cells are changing, so I'm including it here in case. And we have also three constraints, and we can easily calculate the sum product of this changing cells times coefficient, and we want to fix this coefficient, then we have that, and then you can just scroll it down and copy it down. You have the result, and you are ready to run your Excel solver. So go to data and go to Excel solver, and we have right here, and I'm going to say our goal is right here, L7, and this is minimization problem. And what is changing? The changing variables are x1 to x4, and let me add these values as a binary because they are binary variable. So I can say binary here, and I'll click OK. And then you can oh, I'm sorry, it's not binary variable, it's integer, so that's my mistake. So let me delete that. So again, you choose this as a integer variable and click OK, right? So it's integer. I think M4 should be deleted. And we have now P12 and R12, that's good. P13 and R13, P14, R14, that's good. So now you can run simplex method and non-negativity and run the result. And answer came out. And we see that the optimal, in this case, that minimize the difference between D1 minus and D1 plus is 4. So four chandeliers are produced and 0 fans are produced. And we have underachievement of 2. That's what it says here in this result. Thank you.